Social networks like Facebook and YouTube have emerged as the mighty gateways to success. Whether you're a small business catering to local demands or an aspiring entrepreneur ready to conquer the global market, the power of these digital tools is your ticket to a thriving future. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the secrets of leveraging Facebook, YouTube, and other social networks as you unveil the roadmap to position yourself at the forefront of today's economy. It's time to embrace the digital wave and surf toward unparalleled triumph. You know, back in the day, everyone would say that having a website was the holy grail for freelance success. It was like your virtual business card, showcasing your skills and capabilities to the world. But let me tell you something, my friend. Times have changed. With platforms like Facebook and YouTube, you can skyrocket your freelancing game without even needing a fancy website. It's all about knowing how to present yourself and your talents in a way that truly resonates with your audience. Think about it. Facebook and YouTube have billions of users actively engaging with content every single day. That's a massive pool of potential clients just waiting to be captivated by what you bring to the table. Instead of spending time and money on building and maintaining a website, you can focus your energy on crafting compelling posts, sharing valuable videos, and creating an authentic online persona. The key lies in understanding how to leverage this platform to your advantage. Facebook offers the power of targeted advertising, allowing you to reach specific demographics and interests that align with your niche. You can create captivating posts, share a portfolio, and even engage directly with your potential clients through comments and messages. It's like having a virtual storefront where people can find you and connect with your work effortlessly. And let's not forget about the mesmerizing world of YouTube. This platform is a gold mine, showcasing your skills through engaging videos. Whether it's tutorials, demonstrations, or vlogs sharing your expertise, YouTube lets you reach an even wider audience, hungry for knowledge and entertainment. Plus, the comment section becomes your personal playground for building relationships, addressing inquiries, and demonstrating expertise on the spot. The entire world is within your reach and always yearning for fresh and exceptional ideas. Can you discover something that has never been seen before? Or put a new spin on something already known? Take advantage of the resources available to improve your circumstances and don't rely solely on the government. So, my friend, it's time to embrace the power of social media. It's not about just having a website anymore. It's about using the tools available to you in the most effective way. Showcasing your capabilities on Facebook and YouTube can give you traction and visibility that even the most meticulously crafted website might struggle to achieve. It's all about knowing how to connect with your audience, sharing your unique talents, and watching your freelance career soar to new heights. It's perfectly fine to utilize social media to stay connected and stay updated on current events. But have you considered the potential to earn a living through these platforms? Don't restrict yourself. Seize every opportunity that comes your way. With the help of online platforms, you have the ability to market and sell your products and services worldwide. The choice is yours. Are you ready to seize the opportunities that lie in the heart of these digital juggernauts? Let's dive in and unlock your path to success together. In today's digital economy, social networks like Facebook and YouTube can play a crucial role in positioning yourself and your small business for success. And here are some strategies to leverage these platforms. Number one, create a strong online presence. Establishing a profession and engaging online presence is essential. Create a business page on Facebook and optimize it with relevant information about your product and services. Similarly, set up a YouTube channel and create informative and visually appealing videos related to your business. Number 2, engage with your audience. Actively engage with your audience on social media. Respond to comments, messages, and inquiries promptly. Encourage discussions, ask for feedback, and address customers' concerns. Building a strong connection with your audience helps foster trust and loyalty. Number 3, showcase your products and services. Utilize the visual nature of platforms like Facebook and YouTube to showcase your products and services. Post high-quality images, videos, and demonstrations that highlight the unique aspects and benefits of what you offer. This can capture the attention of potential customers and generate interest in your business. Number 4, provide valuable content. In addition to promoting your product or services, share valuable content related to your industry or niche. For example, create how-to videos or tutorials or informative articles that provide insight and solutions to common problems. This positions you as an authority in your field and attracts a wider audience. Are you starting to see it? Number 5, targeted advertising. Leverage the advertising features available on Facebook and YouTube to reach a wider audience. Both platforms offer precise targeting options based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. This allows you to tailor your ads to specific segments of the population who are more likely to be interested in your offering. Number 6, I guess you'll be like this. Collaborate with influencers. Identify influential individuals or content creators in your industry or related fields who have a significant following on social media. Collaborating with them through sponsored content or partnerships can help expand your reach and attract new customers. Number 7, that will be 7. Utilize analytics and insights. Take advantage of the analytics and insights provided by Facebook and YouTube to understand your audience, measure engagement, and track the performance of your content. This data can help you refine your strategies, identify what works best, and make informed decisions to optimize your online presence. Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, that's 8. Build a community. Encourage your customers and followers to actively engage with your brand and with each other. Create groups or communities where they can share their experiences, ask questions, and provide feedback. This sense of community fosters loyalty, generates word-of-mouth marketing, and strengthens your brand image. Remember, consistency, authenticity, and providing value are key when leveraging social networks to position yourself for success. By utilizing these platforms strategically, you can expand your reach, attract a global audience, and take advantage of the opportunities presented by the digital economy.